Hello there, what's up? In this video, I am going to discuss what exactly is eBay and why it is a good idea to sell stuff on eBay. So what is eBay? Well, eBay is one buying-selling platform that gets more traffic than any top-quality adult website. No, I'm not kidding here. The quantity and quality of traffic is simply mind-boggling on eBay. And you know what? Most of the people on eBay are actually looking to buy something rather than just window shopping, simply because of the price benefit that eBay offers. Just about anything on eBay costs less compared to Walmart and Amazon. Well, there are some exceptions, but then exceptions only prove the rule, don't they? Now, if you are a seller on eBay, you can actually spend some good money every day if you just use your common sense and understand the way eBay selling works. If you can master the method of ranking your products well on eBay search results, half the battle is won. Well, of course, you won't have to worry about how to do that. You don't have to worry about how to rank your products in eBay search results, because I'm going to show you how to do that in another video. But the point here is, if you are just able to rank your products high in eBay search results, you are going to make a lot of money. It doesn't really matter what you're selling and for what price you are selling a particular product. As long as your products are ranking well in eBay search results for specific keywords, you are going to make sales and you are going to make a lot of money. Now, why exactly is it a good idea to sell stuff on eBay? Well, the number one reason to sell on eBay is traffic. I had to put traffic as the top reason to sell on eBay. Few marketplaces can compete with the traffic volume eBay provides. According to eBay's MBA rank, which is an agency that researches traffic of websites, eBay is the 8th most visited website on the internet. Amazon is the only marketplace that ranks higher, coming in at number 7. But then, selling on Amazon isn't as easy as eBay. Amazon is actually very complicated. If you don't have a lot of experience, they are not going to accept you and you won't survive there long. But that is not the case with eBay. According to the eBay's MBA rank reports, eBay gets over 210 million unique visitors every month. Now that's a lot of potential buyers. Buyers you don't have to bring to eBay. They already know about it and they already use it to find what they want. All you have to do is offer quality items, good photographs, good prices, and provide shoppers with good keywords and a unique shopping experience. They just have to be able to find your products and half of your job is done. The second reason is low-cost business setup. You see, eBay has listing sales throughout the year, allowing you to list items with no insertion fee at all or for a discounted insertion fee. Now, what exactly is insertion fee? Well, insertion fee refers to the fees that you would have to pay to eBay for listing your products there. They charge a very small amount of money and let you list your products there. But sometimes they offer discounts as well, so you won't have to pay any insertion fees. eBay holds these sales for both auction-style listings and fixed-price products in several categories. Even if you do have to pay the listing fee, which is again a very common phenomenon, it's very nominal compared to other online businesses where you would have to spend hundreds of dollars, if not thousands, just to set up your business. And then, of course, there's the cost of traffic, which could be very big. Selling on eBay is a very cost-effective business proposition. The third reason is you don't need any kind of approval to sell stuff on eBay. Anyone can sell anything on eBay for any price he wishes to. Now, since in this tutorial I am going to show you the exact items that sell like hotcakes on eBay, you won't have to lose sleep over product research. The number 4 reason is, well, it's a pretty simple system. Unlike search engines and several selling platforms, eBay follows a very simple rule when it comes to ranking products. You just have to have good seller feedback and a bunch of sales to be able to push your products to page 1 of eBay search results. And when you have your products on page 1 of eBay search results for specific keywords that customers are using to find specific products, you are going to make sales just like that. It's going to be very much effortless for you, and you are going to make money just like that day in and day out. Now, it might sound a bit intimidating to some, but I'm going to show you exactly how to rank your products in eBay search results super fast without spending any money. So it's going to be super easy for you to rank your products in eBay search results, and you are going to be able to make money by selling on eBay. The fifth reason is, if for some reason you are out of money and you can't afford to buy new products that you want to sell on eBay, or maybe you just want to go on a long holiday and won't have time to monitor your eBay account, you can actually pause the entire sales process on eBay and still keep your products listed and customers interested in them. I'm going to show you a sneaky little trick here on how to do that. And yes, you can afford to go on big holidays without worrying about your eBay account and still keep your business afloat. You can just go on holidays or take a break, and when you come back, you won't have to worry about listing your products in search results once again. They are going to stay there. The sixth reason is probably the most important one. You can sell anything you wish on eBay of any kind of quality. This is very important. Amazon doesn't let you do that. They take a lot of interest in the quality, brand, and features of a product that you want to sell through their platform. But eBay is very lenient about that. Now that allows you to outsource your products from any vendor you wish and buy stuff for super cheap and sell for reasonable profits. Now, I'm not suggesting here that you sell cheap quality stuff, but it would be totally wrong to say that only premium brands manufacture quality products. Lesser known brands are sometimes good too, and with them, you have the price advantage. And in my video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to outsource your products for super cheap and sell for reasonable profits. They are going to be quality products, but you won't have to pay a premium price to outsource them. So your profit margins are obviously going to be higher. On eBay, you won't have anyone breathing on your shoulders, so you can do business more freely. So folks, eBay is a goldmine that you cannot afford to neglect. Now, in my next video, I'll get into how eBay selling works, how the commission structure works, how they take their cut and then pay you your cut, what kind of product listings are allowed there, the shipping part and everything else, and you'll get a better understanding of how eBay sellers list their products and then make sales and make money. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.